Hey guys, so today I'm trying to cook up a little something different so I can stay healthy this week, and I'm kind of tired of chicken for tomorrow, so I'm just going to try something different and we'll see how it turns out. I'm sure I'm going to like breakfast. I'm just testing a new turkey burger for lunch, and I'll let you guys know at the end how it turns out. All right? Bye. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know I'm getting serious. I'm over here frying up this turkey bacon I got from Sam's Club. And I'll let you guys know what company, but let me tell you, it's good. It's not that regular paper tasting stuff y'all get from like Oscar Mayer or whatever, which that's okay, but these are really good. Of course, they had samples in the store. That's what got me into it and, made me purchase. But I'll keep y'all posted on whatever else I'm cooking up tonight, but I'm trying to get healthy. Well, more healthy for the new year, so stay tuned. Okay, next guys, I'm going to make one of these butterball turkey burgers. It's the sweet onion seasoned burger. I was told by my mom that these are good, but this is my first time trying them, so I'll let you guys know. And normally I don't do the turkey burgers because it's a little bit more sodium, but it's just something different other than just chicken. So here's my turkey burger. I'm only trying one right now because I want to see if I like it on this griddle, or would I prefer to pan fry it. But so far it looks good and it's smelling good. Also, this is the Presto griddle. I bought this from Walmart. I haven't had it for that long, so I've only tried a few things on it. So far I love it. As far as my seasonings go, I put some steak seasoning on my burger. And it's so good. The seasoning is so good, guys. And also I put some onion powder. And I'm using this canola no stick cooking spray. And it's smelling pretty good in here. So let's see what I'm going to put with my turkey burger. So guys, this is what I'm probably going to have for breakfast tomorrow. A little of this fruit. This Premier protein shake, and some turkey bacon. See? And this is it has 30 grams of protein, 160 calories, and there's only 1 gram of sugar. And this is the strawberry and creams flavor. And they are good, guys. I mean, they have all different flavors, but they are really good. And I'm just trying to find a better way to have a healthy breakfast without eating eggs, because for some reason, eggs make me sick now. But this should be very filling. And I'll probably have my turkey burger with some broccoli. And I think that's all I'm going to prep for tonight, because I'm going to cook my dinner tomorrow fresh. All right? So, until next time, talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, so I'm all done. And let me tell y'all, that turkey burger, I just only had a little piece because it's for lunch tomorrow. But it is so good. I'm going to have to buy those again. I mean, put those in regular rotation. So it's good to try some new stuff. And on that skillet, it was excellent. So I'll be doing more reviews pertaining to my skillet and let you all know what I think about it. But so far, it's great. It doesn't smoke up the house. And it cooks good food, and it's quick. And you can cook a large amount at one time. Now, I'm going to go and relax for the rest of the evening because I'm tired. So, till next time, bye. And make sure you like and subscribe, please. Glad to have you. Bye.